it is time again for Microsoft Minutes. In our last episode, we saw how we can assign tasks to ourselves. Today, we're going to investigate how to assign tasks to our peers within teams. Within your team, you can add a tab for tasks by Planner and To Do in order to create, assign, and track tasks collaboratively with your team. By assigning tasks to individuals, it allows everyone in the group to see who has been assigned a specific task. Once a task has been created, you can add a label or link a document. Tasks can also be organized by buckets, which allows the team to organize tasks by upcoming events. The filter options can also be used to group tasks by buckets, due dates, and importance. Charts will show the status of all tasks and items completed by each team member at a quick glance. Schedule will allow you to view the dates in a calendar format. Now you can complete tasks on time and know when a task is assigned to you by using Tasks by Planner and To Do in Teams. In our next episode, we will examine Flash Fill in Excel 365. See you then.